Hey, what's up guys? I have another game from eBay. It's called To the Earth. Doesn't work. We insert it inside the console, turn it on, boom, black screen. You know what that means? Possibility that it's dirty. So I'm going to take my security screwdriver, remove the three security screws in the back. Some games have 5, this one only has 3. So I'm going to open this up. Boom. Boom. Okay. There you go. Take out the board. Looks a little bit dirty. It's not that bad. It's pretty clean. Pretty clean. So then I use this microfiber cloth, and I like to use this isopropyl alcohol. Wipe it down. The tracers. Wipe down the tracers like this. First thing I do, loosen it up a little bit. Dirt. Boom. Okay. After that, I use Brasso. I use some Brasso. I put a little dab of Brasso, and I wipe it down with the Brasso. Well, I rub it. Not even wipe, but rub it. Rub it in. Do the front first. Little dab in the front. Then I do a little dab in the back side. Do a little dab in the back side. Okay, a little dab in the back side. Alright. Then after I do that, what I do is I take this eraser. I use an eraser and I rub on the tracers. Just rub them down. I go over like I'm erasing a mark that I did with a pencil. Rub the tracers down. Do the front, and then I do the back. Then I do the back. All right. After I do that, I go back again with the alcohol and I wipe off any residue or eraser or whatever. Wipe it down. The tracers again. Looks pretty good. Okay. Nice and shiny. And then put it back, put the game back. Close it up. Put the 3 screws, security screws. Just snug the screws in, don't make it King Kong tight. Because you might strip the plastic. Just do it nice and snug. Okay, here we go. To the Earth. Is it gonna work? Let's go, baby. Let's do it. Woo! I thought it wasn't gonna work. Da-da-da-da. Shoot Your Zapper. Oh, this is a zapping, the zapper game. I don't have a zapper game. I don't have that zapper. I'm gonna have to get one of those. So that's it for the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace!